shouldn't have them on the field. 8 or 10 of them. They all survive. Yeah. Yes, I guess.
Are they falling in that crack again?
Like, can you hear them?
Let me see if I can get that poor guy out of there before he gets smashed.
Come here, girl.
Over here, look. Look.
Shit!
Yeah.
All those puppies.
Aye. Oh,
that was cool. Look at. I mean, he looks like.
Oh, they're on their legs, so they won't go too far. There's one way down there. I don't know how bad he is. Let me get him out, poor guy.
Holy God!
This one.
Look at that. Lift up his leg. Lift up her leg, Junior, real quick, will you? Oh my God.
Come here. There's one trampled. Let me see if I can get him out.
Well, that one's got blood on his nose.
Lord!
Wait. Put your head over there. Here.
Now, how many is in here now? 13 or
13.
13.
I want to get that guy out of there.
Well, that's not bad.
Look, he's falling back on top.
Yeah.
Only one died.
Okay, get over.
And they probably would have survived had she had him here.
Yeah. It's just that cold concrete floor.
See, this poor guy here is going to smash. He can't breathe. There. There. Feel better?
That one has no white. Hey, he doesn't have white. Weird.
Where?
That one that Junior took out from way underneath.
Oh, is that a new one?
No.
But
It's just been
oh, that's a brown one.
He was getting
one of those fawn.
He was getting
colors.
trampled. Come on, get over there. Oh, I don't know how she's going to work. She's going to take care of all of them, but she's going to have a job in her hand.
Do they buy little drop, or can we get little droppers for them?
Yeah.
Oh. How often you got to feed them?
Twice a day. In the morning.
Just little droppers and
yeah, just
pick each one.
Yeah, like 2 ounces of milk.
Or what? Like just
that milk that they get for little sheep, or that like evaporated milk, the one in the can. Warm milk like that. And just give them like that.
That's a lot of money.
That won't take long. Just 3 or 4 ounces of little milk. The bigger they get, then they push water. First 4 days, 5 days, it's, if you don't feed them, that's where you have to feed them critical. After that,
God, I just can't believe how many she's had.
Yeah. Can you imagine how many little puppies are going to be running around?
Come here, baby.
Good luck.
I know the yard.
oh my God, I know. I better get rid of them quick.
I can't believe she had that many in her belly.
Why would we have it?
I know.
Good girl. Yes. So we'll have to go tomorrow and get all the stuff.
Just in case you could tell the ones that don't eat. They'll be a little small.
Yes. Look at you. Huh?
But what might happen that one might finish and the other one might grab it and go eat too, But I don't know if she'll have enough milk to feed them all.
Pick up her leg again, hon. Her back leg. Doesn't it look like a nest of rats? We can just get them all to scatter. Yes, good girl. It's okay. Oh. Yeah.
She just like to.
I know.
Same time,
Yeah.
but she just cleaned all her kids.
Okay.
Once they settle down, they.
You know, her kids. Oh shit, hon, there's one underneath.
Where?
Underneath her there. Hi. Oh, he's okay.
Yeah, he's warm. Hey, babies.
She's like, kids just have a good face.
Yeah.